The Afghan Youth Services Organization, AYSO, successfully conducted a 2-day mid-year technical review workshop to assess the progress, achievements, and challenges of its projects during the first 6 months of 2026. The workshop brought together AYSO leadership, including HE Dr. Wahidullah Tarun, country office staff, and representatives from provincial offices. The workshop provided a platform to review project performance, share achievements and lessons learned, and identify practical recommendations to improve program quality and effectiveness. Participants also discussed stronger coordination, improved reporting, operational challenges, and opportunities to enhance future project implementation.
The purpose of this 2-day technical review workshop was to assess the progress, achievements, and challenges of our projects during the first 6 months of 2026. We discussed ways to strengthen teamwork, coordination, accountability, and the quality of our programs. Our goal is to provide timely, high-quality, and impactful services to the communities we serve, while continuously learning from our experiences to improve our future programs.
The workshop concluded with certificates of appreciation presented to participants in recognition of their active participation and valuable contributions. Through continuous learning, collaboration, and innovation, AYSO remains committed to strengthening its programs and delivering quality humanitarian and development services across Afghanistan. AYSO, together for stronger communities and sustainable change.